Subscribe the channel for latest update. Press the bell icon. Get ready. Start. Speaking at the conference of women and their role in development of society, the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh said, ladies and gentlemen, it is a matter of great privilege that India is chosen as the venue for holding the conference dealing with the role of women in society. There is a keen awareness in the world today of the need for full participation by women in economic, social, and political life of the community. If half the human population consisting of women does not participate on equal terms with men, it is not possible to ensure full development of the society. We are aware that in our country we have always given a place of honor to our women. The father of the nation said that it was his belief that the role of women in the development of society is very important. The fundamental rights further guarantee rights and freedoms both to men and women without any difference. It is necessary to note that we have a large democracy and the government tries to protect the economic, social, and political rights of each individual. We have taken several steps in recent years to improve the position of women in India. We have set up at the national level a national committee on women welfare for ensuring increased participation of women in development activities. A national plan of action for women has been prepared which has identified the priority areas of employment, education, health, and family welfare to enable women to participate in all aspects of development. There has been considerable progress of women in school and higher education and literacy and in opening up of new areas in vocational and technical education. But we should not be satisfied with this. There is much more to be done, and in spite of the efforts put up by various governments, the attitude of women in the present day society has not changed. Therefore, it is necessary to bring in a legislation to provide them with assured places of position in the government. The new plan should be able to define the role of women and their place in the development of our nation. The suppression faced by women should be given up and there should be equal partnership and understanding both at home and outside. We have great leaders. We have great resources. We will definitely achieve our goals soon.